Day 20, calming our central nervous system. Hi, and welcome back to day 20 of How to Meditate. As always, it's your friendly neighborhood therapist, John here, and in today's session, we learn to put anxiety in its place. When you experience an anxiety or panic attack, you are most likely experiencing one out of three things: a feeling of losing control, you're thinking about the worst possible case scenario playing out in your life, or you're experiencing a situation of total uncertainty. So in today's session, we learn a simple practice you can initiate at any time. The idea here is to break the chain of our overthinking that leads to anxiety. And we do this by giving our thinking something else to do. Count breaths. Instead of putting our attention on our worries, we put parts of our attention on the feeling of the breath, and part of it on counting. This helps our nervous system start to relax. I know on the surface, breathing may not seem all that impactful, but give it a shot, because many people find this meditation to be an essential tool in their anxiety prevention tool belt. It's also a nice way to appreciate the simple goodness of breathing itself. So let's go. Okay, so you can start by closing your eyes. Get comfortable and just take a few deep breaths in. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. As you breathe in, it's like you're stretching up your spine. And then as you breathe out, it's like you're breathing out any tension within the body. As you continue to breathe, do a body scan and notice if there's any tension within your body. Softening the cheeks, easing the worry lines in the forehead, relaxing both sets of cheeks. Soften the belly. Also, don't forget to relax the shoulders. You're really allowing yourself to sink into the body and relax. Breathing has the power to down-regulate our nervous system. So the idea here is to play with how totally present you can be with each breath. Can you notice each breath as it emerges into the cutting edge of now? So notice the beginning of the inhale, the first feelings of cool air coming through the nostrils, and then notice each part of the exhale, the slightly warmer air as it emerges from the body. Stay patient and try to focus on this very breath, not allowing yourself to subtly anticipate the next one. Try this for a bit. Nice. And now begin counting, mentally noting 1 on the inhale, and then letting the exhale just be there, and counting 2 on the next inhale, silent on the exhale, and on from there. Try counting like this all the way up to 10, and then starting over again at 1. And if at any point you forget where you were, just start again at 1. Try this for a bit. So if you get distracted by thoughts, just notice that and come back to the counting. It's like 10% of your attention is on the counting, and the rest is on the sensation of breathing. Can you get into the feeling of breathing, of enjoying each breath as it fills your body with life? Relishing that little pulse of relaxation on the exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. You're in no hurry. You're just letting the breaths come and go. Just noticing each micro sensation of breathing the very moment it emerges. Keep going. Beautiful. So the tone of your inner voice as you count is actually important. You want steady and calm. It's sort of like 1, 2, 3, 4. And doing this, of course, at your own pace. We're putting all our attention into the experience of breathing and counting. Of course, there will be distractions, we'll have thoughts, and there will be annoying sounds. But see if you can just let them be in the background, while in the foreground you stay devoted to the feeling of the breath. Even seeing if you can enjoy the simplicity of this experience. Keep going. And now, do absolutely nothing. Stop formally meditating and just relax. Our anxiety is a superpower that aims to protect us. Too little of it, and we aren't alert to the danger around us. But too much of it, and our minds will create dangers that aren't even there. Our job is to balance our anxiety with an appreciation for the present. And that's where our breath comes in. Breathing is one of the surest ways of down regulating a panicked or anxious body. The breath is another superpower at our disposal. When we take a deep breath in, we shift our mental state, going from a mind at the mercy of anxiety and panic to a mind that's less emotionally driven and more grounded in reality. When you're ready, go ahead and open your eyes. Tomorrow is our grand finale. God bless, and I'll see you then.